sailing the Whitsunday Islands on a 40-foot cat Allegro. Coley found this awesome little waterfall at Stonehaven, Anchorage. A great way to wash off the salt in the harbour. This is Blue Pearl Bay, our favourite mooring destination over the 10 days. Betty the Batfish. Beautiful little green sea turtle just feeding on the bottom. It's so good pulling the sails up and just letting the wind power the boat. The sunsets on the water are bloody beautiful.
No change. These guys. Biggies. Raccoons. We got a GT. You bloody beauty. Tickles this.
So nice having a coffee with the sunrise. Phew.
Nice day for it. Big storm just threw it in here. Look at that.
While we were missing, the cord snapped on the motor, we started drifting. We tied it up to the front.
Morning. Ew, nice red throat emperor. Happy birthday, Brett. Happy birthday, dear Brett. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Just a quick stop in Hamilton Island for a few birthday celebrations. Phew! so cool having the dolphins just riding the bow of the boat. Using a water bottle as a stroller, we had a few problems. This was our best place by far, Blue Pearl Bay. What a beautiful place. This is living. Such a great place, Palm Bay Resort, Long Island, to chill out and relax before you head home to the mainland. What an awesome place the Whitsundays is. You just need to get up here and just